What's good, YouTube? It's your boy GGkevoh in this. Y'all know the rest. But man, it's raining right now, bro. It's raining. I really just want to I'm gonna give y'all the rest of the video, but I want to start off the video just with telling y'all whatever you going through in life, bro, just know you gonna be able to get through it, bro. Because I'm telling you from a fucking experience that no matter what I go through, no matter what happens to me, no matter what happens to anybody else, they always get through it at the end of the day, right? And whatever you really do want in life, you are gonna get that shit, bro. You gonna get it. Whatever you work hard to get for, whatever you work hard to get is what's gonna come to you. Everything that you deserve in this life will come to you at the end of the day. And yeah, man, everything that you deserve, you will get, no matter what. You gonna get what you deserve. That's how life is. That's how you get it. You get everything that you work hard for, everything that you put your 110% to, you can get it. Trust me, me being at 715 fucking subscribers, bro. Don't think I didn't work for that, bro. I've been grinding, literally been grinding the whole year for that. Since the day I got this car, bro, I've been grinding. I'm telling you, whatever you work for, you can get it. So I will get there regardless of what the hell happens. I will get to where I want to be in my life. I will get there. So it just involves me grinding some more, putting all my work and effort into it. But other than that, let's get into this video, man. All right, YouTube. So we are back. Your boy is back. But yeah, man. I hope y'all enjoyed that little intro. I mean, it's not really an intro. I mean, it's just, me just talking my ass off, I guess. No, I'm not even talking my ass off. I just want to get that point across. But yeah, man, that's a nice little Tahoe, I guess. All Tahoes look the same. No bullshit. Everybody in a Tahoe do the same shit. Y'all all do the same shit. Some people be squatting they fucking Tahoes, making that shit look mentally fucking retarded. If you squat your car, you look dumb. But yeah, some people be squatting their shit. Some people put their shit on big rims. I seen the nigga shit on dubs, little five spoke dubs. What else? Black rims. I'm kind of growing out of black rims too. I like my black rims in my car, but I don't know. I kind of want to go something different though now. I don't know. It's just me. Just want to do some nut shit now. I don't know. Me no. I got off work and just instantly started recording this video back. I don't know. I started that shit. When I started earlier, I can't even fucking talk. When I started that video, I started off, that was on my break, basically, so now it's fucking 3 o'clock, and I'm off now, so here I am, recording a video for y'all, like I should. Hey, y'all play GTA? I'm talking about 5, I'm not talking about 6. Because for some reason, I always end up back on that motherfucker. Every time they release some shit on GTA, I'm always back on that motherfucker for some fucking reason. I always end up back on fucking GTA, playing GTA, when I really don't need to play a fucking GTA. GTA been the same. I've been waiting for fucking 6 for it since I was fucking 6 type shit. And still ain't got it yet. 2 more years, man. 2 more years. One day they're gonna release that motherfucker, and hopefully I ain't dead yet. Or fucking in jail or some shit because fucking stupid ass GTA want to take. I want to be able to play it. I really do. I know I'm good on life. My life is good right now. I highly doubt that I keep seeing those trucks, bro. I highly doubt some dumb shit to happen. But yeah, man. Just fucking the way life be lifing, man. You don't know what the fuck is coming up next. Life be short. Motherfuckers wanna fucking that's a nice ability. Motherfuckers wanna fucking make it to 2025. I made it to 25, now I wanna make it to 2025. The next goal in life is to make it to 30, I guess, because motherfuckers don't really make it there either. I deadass didn't think that was a fucking charger. I don't know why, bro. That shit looks weird. Why the fuck are they doors open? Y'all seen that shit? Oh no. Oh no. Y'all see that road, boy? Oh no. I can't even press the gas. I pressed the gas one good time. I'm going sliding. One false move, boy, and I'm hitting that pole. One stupid ass press of a gas, like too hard press of a gas, and I'm going somewhere. And it won't be straight. I'm telling you. I'm not gonna do that dickhead shit. I appreciate this nigga behind me will get the fuck off my ass though. I have no problem brake checking you, bro. No bullshit. Cause I don't know why the fuck you driving so fucking fast. Don't understand why the fuck you driving so fast, buddy. You don't got nowhere to fucking be. Not that fast. I think I was going like 40, 50 miles per hour. And the fact that you on my ass is crazy. But yeah, man, say man, I don't know what else to do. I'm just gonna go home, bro. I don't know what else to do. But this will be the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe if y'all enjoyed. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.